recognizes that. It is time to build an ecosystem within India that can bring the abilities that would help us build long-term strengths. And with that thought in mind, we started our own manufacturing in China in 2010 and moved on enough. We always knew we cannot have end-to-end control over with the first 100% design in India phone. Companies have reached SMT manufacturing. Vision is to make us accessible to every Indian, which it has been to spend. It will be available across online and offline channels from this Republic Day onwards. I think it's perfect for consumers who need a big display and a long-lasting battery. Press it up on the rear. An 8 megapixel selfie camera, 2 plus 32GB phone, comes with 5000 mAh battery and will give you a clean and bloatware-free software experience. This phone also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. A 4 plus 64GB device. It comes with an immersive 6.5-inch HD Plus display and is protected by Gorilla Glass. The Z4 has a triple rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary camera, AI-enabled camera. In this phone adapts its setting as per the comes with a segment first 16 and has a 5000 mAh battery. 6999 and 999 also comes with 6, a 6GB variant. It also comes with a large 6.5-inch display. 999 in the price spec battle. The word My Z allows with the flexibility to select a 32GB ROM or a triple rear camera is ready. Similarly, you will have all these combinations available, GB or even a 6GB RAM phone, is in which you can apply permutations in Lava Mobile. Let's assume a scenario. You bought a 2GB plus 32GB combination phone. That your usage is different if you buy a new phone of higher specification. In this case, let's say a 4 plus 64GB device, and therefore the total amount that you pay within the first few months of purchase will be 16,000 rupees. So back to the previous scenario. You had a 2GB plus 32GB phone line. Now you can Z up the same phone by either upgrading the RAM or ROM or both. All you need to pay is a small incremental charge. You get to upgrade your phone, Lava's first ever, and you can Z2, Z4 and Z6 will be available for purchase from 26 January.